Have you ever wondered why we always yawn when someone else does? It's strange, isn't it? You're just sitting there not even tired, and suddenly someone nearby yawns, and then so do you. Most people don't think much about it. It just happens. But here's something interesting. Scientists believe it's connected to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain mirrors that action, almost like we're feeling what they feel. It's a small, unconscious way of connecting with others. It's not a big deal. It's not something we try to control, but still kind of weird, right? So next time someone yawns, try not to yawn back.